Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome. I'm creating this short video so I can show you how to use the avatar that I have created for our class. I've created these avatars so you have a companion, a study buddy. We meet in class for a short period of time, but I want you to have access to the material and access to help 24/7. Obviously, you can always email me, but sometimes you might need a really quick answer to something that is going on. So you're going to have a specific link for the avatar of our class, and I'm just showing you one avatar, but the avatar from our class might look slightly different than this one. Let me share my screen. So this is what you are going to see. So the avatar is going to ask you to enter your name. I'm going to put my whole name, but you don't have to. So this is only so the avatar knows how to call you. You can make something up if it makes you feel more comfortable. So in a minute, you're gonna see the avatar. So this is your avatar. Hopefully it looks like me, but with better hair. When you go to the question mark here, it's going to give you ideas on how to use this 24/7 study buddy. So the idea is that you're going to be able to ask any questions related to the class. So the avatar has information from the syllabus and information from our textbook and my class notes. So that's what she knows. You can ask anything like when is the midterm, when is the final, what's a deduction, anything related to the classroom. You can ask in English, and you can also give it a shot in your native language if it's not English. We have created this so it can explain concepts that might be foreign to you because I know that we are in a music school and we are talking about taxes and economics, but also, doing all of this in a foreign language might make it harder for you. Hopefully the avatar can explain things in your native language. So I'm going to ask the avatar. So we talk about this in class. What is a deduction? You can use this from your computer. You can use this from your phone. You can talk to her or you can type. And there we have it. So here the avatar is giving you a short answer for what a deduction is.
A deduction in taxation is an expense that you can subtract from your total income to reduce the amount of income that is subject to tax. Deductions come from various categories, including business expenses, medical expenses, or certain personal expenses, and they help lower your overall tax liability. For example, if you're a musician and you purchase equipment or pay for music lessons, those costs could potentially be deducted from your income, resulting in a lower taxable income. If you have more questions or need clarification on this topic, just let me know.
I'm asking another question. When is the final exam? You have this information in the syllabus, but maybe you just forgot you want to ask.
The final exam for the taxation in the music business course is scheduled for December 8, 2025. The finals period runs from December 8 to December 12, 2025. If you need more information about preparations or other course details, feel free to ask.
And now I'm asking something in Spanish. ¿Cuándo es el primer quiz de la clase? So here we have the answer in Spanish. That's what I said. Give it a shot in a different language and see how she answers. Please use this. I've created this for you to give you more support in the class. I hope it's going to be fun and useful for you.